Welcome to iconic living in Dubai. This 5-bedroom duplex penthouse is one of the city's most coveted addresses. Currently shell and core, the 17,990 SQFT residence offers a rare opportunity to create a custom masterpiece, one that will capture the visionary design and vibrant energy of one Za'abeel. Panoramic views take center stage here. From a vast private terrace, residents can gaze out at the landmark Dubai World Trade Center, Museum of the Future, Dubai Frame and the dynamic Sheikh Zayed Road. The iconic Burj Khalifa rises in the distance, with glimpses of the Arabian Gulf beyond. The interiors are vast, and given an added sense of scale, by striking floor-to-ceiling windows, imposing columns and an impressive floating staircase. These areas can be designed to essay cutting-edge contemporary design, refined finishes, golden accents and warm natural textures. Planned spaces include show kitchen and back-of-house kitchens, and a stylish private bar. The 5 bedrooms, meanwhile, are exercises in sophistication and privacy, with elegant rugs, exquisite lighting features, refined wooden flooring and metallic accents, all viable options. The master bedroom in particular boasts fashionable walk and closet space. Further city views ancient. One Za'abeel itself is the world's longest cantilevered tower. Its stellar amenities include Michelin star restaurants, high-end shopping outlets, state-of-the-art fitness center, infinity pool with stunning views, resident lounges, spas,